Welcome to OfficeKit HR. In this video I will walk you through employee landing page and their profile. Here you can see the basic employee details. We have a mini calendar where you can see the total unpaid days for that month. We have an upcoming events tab where you can see the upcoming birthdays, work anniversaries of your colleagues. Also, if there is any news circulated inside the organization, it will appear here. Next, in the landing page we have the attendance part where you can mark attendance just by clicking here and your punch details will appear here. You can also see the total worked hours for that day. Now we have My Team where you can see your team members and their planned leaves. When you click on an employee, we can see their recent location from where they have punched in. On top right we have Alerts tab where employees will receive all kinds of notification related to data in the system. For example, whether the employee's leave request has been accepted. In To-Do list, employees will receive all pending actions to be completed. For example, surveys. Now we will move on to calendar in detail. Here the employees will have access to all their attendance details till date. You can see the punch details of each day. If the employee wants to make any kind of request for a specific day, they can do it by clicking the plus sign, select the type of request, enter detail and submit. When HR approves it, the shortage will not be reflected in the payroll. In Approvers Flow we have Workflow chart where you can see the approvers flow for different transactions. In Organization chart you can see the team hierarchy, who is reporting to whom. In Directory you will have all the employee basic details. We have a social platform integrated in our system. Here employees can engage within themselves. You can post pictures, comment, like posts. If there is any new joinee in the company, it will be notified here and you can post a welcome message too. For birthdays you can post wishes here. In our mobile app, individual and group chat is also available. Now we will go to employee profile. In employee self-service, personal information. Here all the details regarding that employee will be stored. If provision given, employees can enter their details like professional, communication, etc. Employees can upload the documents and also view it from here. Employees can download letters from here. If there is any assets provided by the company to employee, that data will be stored against their profile here. The details on the left side are entered by HR while onboarding, which cannot be edited by the employee. Thank you.